In this video, I'm going to show you how can you manage the notifications in the Apple Music application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your right corner and there you will see three dots. Press on it. Once you are done with that, you should select here the second option, which is Account. And once you're in this page, you can see here the notifications section, and there you can just press on manage notifications. After doing so, you can see here that you can get notifications about new musics or just having renewal receipts. And pretty much this is all you can select right now. So you can just activate or deactivate any of these two notifications, and once you're done with it, you just press this arrow back there and everything will be saved. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.